What's up, guys? So I'm going to do a wire harness build series on my 92 240SX. I'm gonna show you from start to finish, uh, planning, materials to use, everything. Hopefully someone else can use this information that I am giving out and can maybe build their own harness. Uh, it is definitely something that is not for everyone. It is time consuming and it takes definitely a lot of patience. A little background from me is I was in the electronics field. Previous job, I used to actually build small time wiring harnesses for medical boards. So I decided to maybe take on building my own harness uh, and seeing just what's involved. I went over and took the HP Academy uh, wiring course, which, if anybody's interested, I'd highly recommend anybody go over here and check it out. They have a lot of information, and even further than that, uh, they have quite a bit of information on engine building, tuning, and lots more. Like I said, if anybody's interested in maybe, you know, doing any of this stuff, give them a shot. Uh, I've ended up talking to a lot of knowledgeable people, a lot of very helpful people. So I'm very happy with the course. So I want to just extend my knowledge to anyone who is interested in possibly building maybe their own wiring harness like I am doing. So just stay tuned to the next video. Thanks.